XRP is gonna start going crazy very, very soon. If you guys hold XRP or honestly any cryptocurrency, this is an emergency video that I need to share with you my thoughts with what is going on. So I told you all for the last several weeks, if you have watched any of my videos, that September is going to be a bullish month. In my opinion, I could be wrong, it's not financial advice. But what we have seen so far is that September is quite bullish for cryptos today. Yesterday and all of last week, the market was crashing and dumping. And last week, we saw a pump up to $65,000 for Bitcoin, and we immediately rejected all the way back down to the low of last night or this morning to $57,000. However, Bitcoin is now breaking out of this falling wedge pattern. We are seeing XRP back up to 57 cents. Altcoins are bouncing very hard. You take a look at Solana, up 5%. Bitcoin, almost $60,000 right now as I'm making this video. Ethereum up massively today, up to $2,500. So the market is bouncing up. The market is about to get ready to make a huge move. So September is basically now when the summer months have ended, and what's going to happen is all these funds, hedge funds, institutions, they are going to start allocating cryptos into their portfolio, and it's going to really pump the markets up. We also have the election coming in less than 2 months. They're going to pump the market before that. There's just so much that the market is going to be pricing in. We have rate cuts in just a couple of weeks. All of these things which I'm speaking of are highly, very, very bullish for the market. And that's why the market is bouncing up. People are buying the dip. Whales, in order to get a huge bounce like this for Bitcoin and altcoins, they have to be buying the dip in a massive way. So it is not over with. The bull market is just getting started. I think towards the end of this month is when we are going to start to see massive candles, because historically October is the most bullish month for cryptocurrencies. And I'm expecting the bull market to last for at least 2 to 3 months before any major significant correction. If we zoom out here, we could see that Bitcoin has topped out since March, and we've basically been trading sideways until then. So it's about 180 days of consolidation, no real trend. We haven't gone higher. We've made some corrections. We've had black swan events. So I'm thinking that we are going to now, because we are in a bull market, if you understand halving cycles and how these 4 cycles work, we are literally in the most bullish time cryptos could possibly ever be. And I am expecting new highs on Bitcoin, new all-time highs. I'm expecting $1 for XRP in the short term. I'm talking in the short term, not just next year. I'm talking in the next several to 2 months. We're going to start to see some crazy price action for cryptos overall. If we take a look at Bitcoin monthly returns, September is historically a bearish month. We have seen bullish months for cryptos, but at the end of September is when, but September is usually when the lows are made before the next move up. And historically, October, we see 22% gains. November, we see 46% gains. So it's a correction. November is actually historically the most bullish month. But October and November are the most bullish months historically, side by side for cryptos. And that's what I'm expecting is going to continue to happen this year. So do expect a correction possibly in December, January, and that correction could last a couple of months. And then I think we're going to keep pumping up until the summer, which I think cryptos could possibly top out. So it's about to get really crazy, especially for XRP. We have the IPO coming out. We have XRP Ripple. They're going to be paying the fine. SEC is not going to be appealing. We have so many crazy things that are about to take place in just a short term. You better get ready. This is a good time, I think, in my opinion, to buy altcoins, load up on altcoins, to buy the dip, buy Bitcoin, hold, because the market is going to be trading so much higher over the next several weeks and months. Now, make sure you guys are in the Patreon, where this morning people were able to follow my trade that did 30%. This particular trade made me about $1,500. I had multiple other trades, so it made about a $4,000 to $5,000 day. If you guys want to follow my trades, join the Patreon. If you guys also want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies full-time, join my amazing community. Join the Patreon for that as well. I teach class every Thursday. You guys can also have access to my free trading course at milesginvestments.com. It was $1,000 at one time, and I've now made it free to everybody. I just want people to learn. That's what I'm passionate about. I want you guys to make money. The link for that will be in my video description as well. You guys should be trading over on Blowfin. This is where I'm doing all my trading. And look at this, ALGOSNIPER. This thing is absolutely amazing. It will tell you, for any crypto, when to sell before a big crash. It will also tell you when to buy literally at the very bottom for every crypto. You guys can try today for $1 at ALGOSNIPER.com. That's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys follow my Twitter to stay up to date with the latest information in crypto. Check out the links in my video description, and I'll see you later.